Hey guys, it's Dennis and DIY Idol, and today we will be planting in the McKenzie 16 extra large pellet garden greenhouse.
And we're gonna plant a bunch of different varieties of things in here, test it out, and go from there. So first thing we gotta do is open this up.
The first thing you need to do is add some water to it.
And then once the water's in there and absorbed, these will expand, and then we can plant. So now that the water's all poured in, we're gonna go ahead and allow these to expand, and then we'll come back in and check on them in a bit.
So we have all of our seeds expanded, our seed pods expanded, and we have all of our seeds out that we're gonna put in here. So we're gonna get to doing it. So we're gonna put 2 in each one, and then we're gonna push these ones down.
The reason we use 2 is just in case one doesn't germinate, we make sure that at least we get something out of each pot. And we're starting with our Jack B. Littles, which are miniature pumpkins. And then Son's gonna plant those 2, and then we're gonna fill in the rest with other items. So we put 2 San Marzano tomatoes up there. Son's now putting in the sunflowers, which Mom likes. And again, we're sticking with 2 seeds per pod. And we'll keep filling these up. So now that everything's planted, Son's just gonna give them a little squirt to moisten them. And then we marked the back of it with the tag right there. And then we made a grid of what we have. And we will check back in as they germinate. All right, we're a little overdue for planting, but here's the results. And we're gonna go ahead and get these planted up for the season. But this is the final of how to use these pods in these trays. So they work relatively well, and we just need to get them in the ground. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoy. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.